Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aisha Shish. For those who don't know me, welcome sana, karibuni sana. For those who are new here, karibuni, and also for those who are returning back, karibuni tena sana. Thank you so much for taking this time to watch this video. Yeah, thank you so much. So today it's on a Sunday morning. Yeah, and I decided to share with you what I do on a Sunday morning before I go to church. So here I'm washing my tomatoes and my capsicums so that I can store them, and also my coriander. Yeah, so I'm washing them. Yeah, and also I've boiled some water and I'm putting it in my thermos so that I can, so when my baby wakes, that I will use that water to make for him his early morning food, and also wash him. So guys, continue watching. Hope you're going to enjoy my video. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for subscribing. Also for the new subscribers, thank you so much. Karibuni tena sana sana sana. I really appreciate so much for subscribing. Yeah, continue subscribing guys. Thank you so much. So here I want to cook. Yeah, and I'm also cooking potatoes and arrowroots, so that the simple food that I can cook early in the morning. So children tend to feel hungry every now and then, like every minute they're hungry, so yeah, that's why I'm cooking. Yeah, so that I can carry the food with me. Yeah, so when he feels hungry, I'll give him. And also I'm going to carry a cup of milk and some snacks here and there. Yeah, so here as the food is getting ready, yeah, as I am waiting for the food to boil, I'm washing my utensils. Yeah, so that I can leave the utensils while they are clean. Yeah, so keep enjoying my videos guys. Hit that subscribe button and also hit that thumbs up. So this is our current situation in my room, in my living room. Yeah, I've not yet returned the covers yet. Yeah, so yeah, I've also cooked tea. Yeah, so I want to take breakfast so that I can go and freshen up now. And also I'm cooking some of sausages so that I can also carry one for my baby. He loves sausages so much. Yeah, so much. He just loves sausages. Yeah. So yeah, I'll cook and store and carry for him one. Hi guys. That's my new look, guys. That's how I look. I kind of feel weird, but I'll cope with it. I just love it the way it is, though I've never shaved like this, so that's why I'm feeling weird. So guys, I've already finished taking my breakfast. So I'm heading to freshen up. Then after freshening up, I wake my baby. I also freshen up. I bathe him too. Then as in I prepare him. Then after that, I feed him so that we can go to church at around tuweze kuenda at around kitu saa 4. Yeah, at around 10. Yeah, so guys, see up. Hi guys, so I'm finished. Wow, I'm so late, so we are just about to move out. Yeah, so let's go guys. Come, hope you're enjoying the video. Keep on watching, subscribe if you're watching and yet you've not subscribed. Please subscribe guys. Make sure you subscribe. We are road to 200 subscribers, so guys, let's do this.
1,000 years later.
Tija, nini yako? Tija, nini umefanya? Hebu kujeni hii side. Umefanya nini? Ati? Ni Zairin, Auntie Irene. Tijan, how are you? How are you, Tijan? Say you're fine. Come. Kuja baba. Hata una viatu, hujatoa viatu na ni chafu. After church, we went home at my mom's place. So here I was cooking. Yeah, guys, don't mind my background. There is construction going on, so there is a lot of noise. So here I'm cooking kama kawaida. Yeah, so I had decided to go somewhere today, but okay, I postponed because what I wanted to go and buy, or what I wanted to go and do, they don't usually open at Sunday, so I just postponed it, and I'm going to go on Monday. Yeah, tomorrow, that is. Yeah, so guys, Here I'm just cooking, chilling out with the friends, like my baby's friends. Yeah,